pad crusher frog. Nothing huge, but about 12 inches. We'll throw them back. It's number one. Been out here about 20 minutes. Let's try to catch another one. Look at that pig. Short and fat. It's number two. Had a few bites. Nothing too extreme. But always happy to reel one in. Bigger one right there. Polarized glasses, that's what I can tell you. All I'm seeing are sunfish about that big. No beds, no smaller fish, nothing. They said it's hard to imagine they'd be out here because all these lilies are so thick. You get such good cover there. But you can't even fish it with a frog. It's so thick. Only one fish and one bite.
Where did you say bubbles are from?
A lot of times it's from gases that are being released from the plants take the sun, create carbon dioxide just like trees, but it has to release somewhere, so it won't come. Just missed a bite. Well, I had a bite, had a bass. I was reeling it in, spit the frog, so I let it just sink to see if it would come back for it, and all of a sudden as it was floating down to the bottom I could clearly see the lure, and a pike came up and just grabbed it and go straight down, and I yelled, oh, because I didn't want it to snap my line. I didn't get any fish out of it.